family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you another delicious and super easy family recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make delicious and juicy breaded chicken breast. We're also going to season the chicken breast first with simple ingredients like salt and pepper, oregano, garlic. So easy. You can serve this with an easy salad or rice, or as well as mashed potatoes. Whatever you want, it's still going to taste delicious. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started with the ingredients. Guys, we're gonna start with 2 pounds of chicken breast. These are thinly sliced. I also cleaned my chicken breast with a little bit of vinegar and lemon juice, and then I just rinsed it off with water and I placed it in my bowl. We are also gonna need breadcrumbs. I have here seasoned gluten-free breadcrumbs, but you can use the regular ones. I think next time I'm gonna use the regular breadcrumbs instead of gluten-free. We're gonna need 4 garlic cloves nicely minced, 3 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of black ground pepper, half a tablespoon of paprika powder, half a tablespoon of Dominican oregano, or you can use regular Italian oregano, as well as half a tablespoon of salt or to taste. What we're going to do now is season our chicken breast. I'm adding half of a lime juice, the garlic, the paprika, the salt, and the pepper, as well as the Dominican oregano. We're going to mix this very well, making sure all the flavors are well incorporated into the chicken breast. In this bowl, I have my 3 eggs nicely beaten. I added a pinch of salt and pepper just to give it some flavor. And in my other plate, I have the breadcrumbs. What we're going to do is, with each chicken breast, we're going to coat it into the egg mixture and then into the breadcrumbs. Make sure it's nicely coated with each. That way it comes out nicely and crispy on the outside and juicy in the inside. And now I'm just going to repeat the steps with each of the chicken breasts until I don't have any more left. And here you go. Now that all my chicken breasts are nicely breaded, we're going to start frying them up. Here I have my skillet with avocado oil, and we're frying the chicken breast on medium heat. Now we're adding it one by one, making sure we do not burn ourselves. We're going to cook this or fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes until you start seeing that they start browning up on the bottom side. Once after 4 to 5 minutes, we're going to flip them over to the other side and cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Again, just making sure the chicken breasts are nicely cooked and browned and all that good stuff. Look how delicious and crunchy they look. Now I'm just going to add them on paper towel. That way it absorbs the oil and we are ready to eat and enjoy. I just served them with a little bit of lime wedges. You can just drizzle that on top of the chicken breast. And there you go. Super simple and delicious, crunchy, breaded chicken breast.